Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian coming to the very important critical message right now with the coronavirus and interest rates and the effect on the economy. It's unprecedented what's happening right now in the whole world, the global meltdown right now with the coronavirus. The stock market's crashing, oil's crashing, employers are shutting down their doors, and interest rates, what you think the Fed cut the rates to zero, interest rates are actually doing the exact opposite. Interest rates are going up. The Fed's cut on interest rates has nothing to do with mortgages. The banks don't want the loans right now is what they're telling us, okay? They're becoming very, very picky. So if you have a loan approval or you're trying to get a loan, you need to hurry up and lock in and close on your rate, close on your loan right now. I'm not telling you that because I'm in the mortgage business. I'm telling you because I'm seeing this in real life. Interest rates have gone up since the Federal Reserve has actually cut the rates, because the liquidity is drying up in the market, right? This reminds me so much of the 2008 recession, the crash, except now it's worse. You're on lockdown. You can't even go to a restaurant. The restaurants are closed. The hotels are closed. Disney's closed, guys. My wife was in Disney over the weekend. They told her to go home. They shut it down. That's what we're faced with right now, okay? So what I'm telling you is that if you're trying to get a loan, you need to hurry up and close. Get your paperwork in. That lender will honor that commitment and you can close on that loan, right? But if you don't lock in on your interest rate and your interest rate goes up, you're screwed. Or the lender rescinds or withdraws. They're becoming very, very picky right now in the marketplace. I saw Bank of England came out the other day and said they will not make a loan to anybody unless they have a 660 or higher credit score. Wells Fargo and Chase said, we don't know what to do with these loans right now. We can't buy any more loans. So we're going to increase the interest rates and add 300 basis points of risk priced into every single loan. Okay? So what I'm telling you right now is you need to hurry up. If you're thinking about getting a loan, you want to get cash out, you need to get cash in your bank account because we don't know what's going to happen next. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But what I do know is that you need to make sure you have cash, you have liquidity, you refinance, you get your loans done, you get cash in your bank account. Now is not the time to go crazy and spend a bunch of money on stuff. When you see oil, and you might think, oh, oil, that's good, it's dropping at $24 a barrel. That's not good. That's not a good sign, guys. When that happens, a lot of people are going to lose their job. Okay? You don't want oil to be at $24 a barrel because there ain't going to be people traveling because everything's shut down. All right? So we got to be very careful right now with this virus, what's going on. We need to take it very seriously. Obviously, hygiene, the CDC, the government's doing their part to take care of everything as best they can. Us as a society, as a consumer, we need to make sure that we're doing our part to follow through. And my message to you is on the real estate side is hopefully, after this whole thing surpasses, we can get back into the business of buying properties and selling. We're still in business. We're lending nationwide. We're not shutting our doors down. If you need cash, which I recommend, if you have equity in your property and you want to refinance, you need a loan, give us a call. We'll give you the equity to get cash out. Right now is a good time to get cash in your bank account or have cash in the safe or on the sidelines in case the bank shut down. What if the stock market shuts down? What if your bank shuts down? You need cash. All right, call us to get cash. We can get you cash out of your investment property, your equity, 832-431-6331. But don't just think because the Federal Reserve cut interest rates that you're getting a 0% rate. That's not what's happening, guys. Rates have gone up from a week ago, right? The banks are telling us they don't want the loans. We're still making loans, and we're not going to stop making loans to people. Residential, commercial, private loans. Now, what you will see is that investors are getting a lot more picky on what they decide to do on the loans. Okay? So this is an urgent, very critical message. You guys take shelter, take care of your family. Make sure you have plenty of food stock for at least a month. You have cash. If you have equity in your property, cash out on that equity and close on as soon as possible. I don't know what's going to happen next. I don't. And today what's today? We're going to publish this. Hopefully Jeff can get it out by this week. But today's the 18th of March when I'm saying this message. And the stock market has literally collapsed 25% in the last 3 weeks. I hope to God that we rebound soon. and that we can at least get some footing for April and have some positivity. This was supposed to be an awesome year, and this has been the year of the coronavirus. So, you know, and the whole thing is that I want you guys to be proactive and not reactive here. Don't fool around. If you have a loan commitment, you're trying to get a refinance, you're trying to purchase, close on it, lock in on the low rate. Because what you don't want to have happen is you put off your loan, your purchase, or your refinance, and all of a sudden the bank stops lending, or they go out of business, or they raise the interest rate on you. Don't let that happen to you. Close now and lock in to get a better deal. Don't wait. I'm telling you right now, it's not worth their time. You got to be really careful right now. Now's the time where if you're about to buy a house, close on it. If you're about to refinance, you want to pull cash out. If this thing gets worse and the bank shuts down and they're not making loans anymore, or you can't get cash out of your bank account, we're all going to be screwed. And you can't let that happen. I don't know what's going to happen next. But I'm just telling you, these are some of the things I'm doing personally with my family, just in case something else happens bad that's crazy. I really don't know. I've never seen this. I'm 38 years old. I've never seen this before in my life, except when we had the Great Depression, which was triggered by a flu and other things with the savings and loan collapsing, right? So I don't know if this is the next thing, or we're going to blow past this in April and go back to business. But when you see the restaurants closed, you see hotels closed, the nail salon closed, you see the mall closed, the movie theater, oil and gas shut down, it ain't good. Believe me, it's not good on the economy at all. And it's going to take a while to rebound. Okay? So we need to be proactive, all get together as a society, as an economy, and come together. If you need cash, we're here to get you the funding for your real estate. We're not stopping. We're open. Call us at 832-431-6331. This is a message to everyone out here in the United States of America with Angelo Christian Financial. We want to help you. Take care of your family. Make sure you have good health, good hygiene. If you're sick, stay indoors. Like President Donald Trump said, go see a doctor, whatever you have to do. I know in the end we will emerge, and we'll be strong and courageous, and we'll come out of this much better and stronger and more independent as a country. So you guys take care of yourself. This is Angelo Christian. If you know my story, I never gave up, and I'm not giving up now. If you need funding, call our office.